Mega Cable Lock 352B Seal. From the bottom, insert the cable through the right side holes of the top bracket and door handle. Then, insert it into the left side holes and thread it through the body of the cable seal. The video shows the seal being locked into the handle furthest from the opening. It is common procedure to place the seal through the hasp on the vertical bar closest to the opening. Remember to note it must be able to overlap the opposite door. Then thread the cable through the aluminium body of the cable seal and pull to fully engage the seal. The Mega Cable Lock 352B version includes 2 locking bodies for a single length of wire. This version is designed for longer cable lengths and provides greater strength and security. It is ISO 17712 and CT-PAT compliant with a precisely designed locking mechanism. Mega Fortris. Prevention, protection, peace of mind.